The little god sacrifice. On a bright morning in a small village, little Aisha woke up with excitement. Aisha ran outside and saw her father, Abu, tying a white goat near their house. The goat had soft fur and kind eyes. Aisha patted its head. Abu, why is this goat here? She asked. Abu smiled. This is for Qurbani, my dear. We will sacrifice it, just like Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam was ready to sacrifice his son for Allah. Aisha's heart sank. She looked at the god, who gently licked her hand. Tear filled her eyes. But Abu, this god is so sweet. Can't we keep it? Abu hugged her. I understand, beta, but Eid ul Fitr teaches us to give up something we love for Allah's sake. It about obedience and trust in Him. Aisha sat quietly, stroking the god. She didn't want it to go. That night she prayed with all her heart. Oh Allah, I love this god, but I love you more. Please give me strength. The next morning, it was Eid ul Fitr, her favorite time of the year. The air was filled with the smell of delicious food, and everyone was dressed in beautiful clothes. Aisha took a deep breath and whispered to the god, Thank you for teaching me about sacrifice. After the Qurbani, Abu handed Aisha a big portion of meat. We will share this with the poor, just like Allah commands, he said. Aisha nodded, wiped her tears as she saw the smile of hungry children receiving the meat. Her sadness turned into joy. She realized that true love means giving even when it's hard. Moral of the story, Eid ul-Azha teaches us the obedience to Allah, selflessness and caring of others. Sometime we must let go of what we love to earn Allah's blessing and help those in need. Thank you very much for watching. If you like the story, please don't forget to subscribe my channel.